Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have learned about this or that. Now we will learn about these or those. THESE, these, THOSE, those. I have already told you this or that are used for the singular things. But now these is the plural form of this and those is the plural form of that. यानी दिस हम एक के लिए यूज़ करते थे और दीज हम किसके लिए यूज़ करेंगे फॉर द प्लूरल बहुवचन के लिए. दिस एक वचन के लिए सिंगुलर, दीज बहुवचन के लिए फॉर प्लूरल. इन दिस वे दैट वी यूज़ फॉर सिंगुलर thing and those we will use for plural things. I have told you this we use where when a thing is near to us or place near to us. In this way these we also use where the thing or place is near to us. These भी हम वहीं यूज़ करेंगे जब वो कोई चीज़ या वस्तु या वो जगह हमारे पास होगी. देयर वी यूज़ दीज, वहाँ हम दीज यूज़ करेंगे. दैट का भी हम बता चुके हैं. दैट वी यूज़ व्हेन अ थिंग इज़ फार फ्रॉम अस, जब वो वस्तु हमसे दूर होती है. इन दिस वे दोज वी ऑल्सो यूज़ देयर व्हेन अ थिंग इज़ सो फार फ्रॉम अस, जब वो चीज़ हमसे दूर होती है. आई एम टेकिंग हेयर एग्जाम्पल्स to describe this, these. First, look at here. What is it? It is bowl. How many? One. Singular. So, for singular, first tell me, is it near to us or far to us? Near. So, what will we use here? This. Because it is near to us, हमारे पास भी है, and it is singular, और ये singular भी है, एक ही है ये. So that's why what will we use here? This. Look at here. How many balls are here? 3 balls. How many balls are here? 3 balls. So 3 is singular or plural? Plural. So 3 is plural na. So look at here. It is far from us or near to us? These are near. हमारे पास में ही है, पास में भी है और प्लूरल भी है. So what will use here? These. THESE. So देखिए, when the thing is singular and near to us, there we use this. When a things are plural and it is near to us, there we use these. Now next is I am taking about that and those. First, look at here. Which picture is it? Tree. How many trees are here? 1. So 1 is singular. Now look at here. Is it near from us or far from us? Far. दूर है हमसे. जब दूर होता है तब हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? That. Because it is singular, 1 is there and far from us. So that's why we will use right here that. That is tree. Now look at next picture. How many trees are here? There are 3 trees. How many trees? 3. So 3 is singular or plural? Plural. Is it far from us or near? Far. When the things are far and plural, there we use those. Those are trees. I hope you understood the difference between this, these, that, those. Now I am going to tell these and those. These और those के बारे में. When a things are near to us, पास में होंगी, and plural, there we use these. When a things are plural and far from us, और हमसे दूर होंगे, दूर हो plural हो those, पास हो plural हो these. So look, first example, dash are apples. So these are plural. Is it more than one? So these are plural. ये plural है. Now look at the place. Where is it? Is it far or near? ये हमसे दूर है या पास? दूर. Far. So what will we write here for the far things? Those are apples. Like that. Next example. Look at here. What is it? Pencils. How many? 4. How many pencils are here? 4. So is it near or far? Near. So what will we use here? These. THESE. These are pencils because it is near to us. Look at next picture. These are the picture of glasses. So is it far or near? Far. So what will we use here? Those. THOSE. Those are glasses. Next is balloons. Where is it? Is it far or near? हमसे दूर है या पास? Near. So what will we use here? These are balloons. So you have to remember one thing. This and these we use always for the things near to us, and that and those we always use when the things are far from us. जब वो चीज़ें हमसे दूर होती हैं, that and those we use. जब वो चीज़ें हमारे पास होती हैं, this and these we use. This and that is the singular forms. These and those are the plural forms. So after this or that always comes is, and after this or those always comes are. I hope you understood it very well. Thank you.